Hey y'all, I just got my eyebrows done. I always feel more human after my eyebrows have been threaded. Okay, so stopped at Aldi for these suckers again, but this time, where'd the other bag go? I got all 3 flavors. Okay, so this one we already know is phenomenal. So if you haven't tried it, it's got the cleanest ingredients: coconut, cashews, coconut sugar, cassava flour, and sea salt, and that's it. That's it. Okay, so this one, if you haven't tried it, I highly recommend it. It's so yummy. We're gonna go with vanilla. Yes, I just bought them, and I want to know. Okay, we'll overthink this work. So, come on, guy. Okay. Vanilla. I got an itch. Okay. You can't eat your body half. All right. Honestly, there's not a huge difference between these two. There's really not. This one has a little bit more of a vanilla kick, but this one has natural vanilla flavor and natural almond flour. Sorry, not natural almond flavor, which we know natural flavors are usually kind of like giant question marks. So I would still pick this one over this one. The flavor to me pretty much tastes the same. I'm kind of shocked. Why isn't it different? Tastes pretty much the same. And this one has better ingredients. So whatever, go with this one. Next. And they put that on there and then it doesn't make the same. Okay, chocolate. Smells nice and chocolatey. Coconut, coconut sugar, cashews, cocoa powder, cassava flour, sea salt. All they did was add cocoa powder. Oh, that's good. Okay. These are much more crispy, right? Because the coconut kind of gives it like that little bit of like, you know, that oil flavor when you like bite into something that's coconut and just like sits there somewhere in your mouth. So these are much more crispy, so a little bit less of that, but the cocoa flavor is phenomenal. And it's like just the right amount that it still has that sweet that you want with the chocolate. Oh my gosh, you're so good. So good. Ah!